The secrets of how coffee is made in a factory. When it comes to coffee, there are a lot of secrets that go into making the perfect cup. Coffee is more than just a bean, it's an art. And like any art, there is a science to it. In a coffee factory, there are many secrets to how the coffee is made. The beans are roasted to perfection, and the grind is always just right. There is a certain art to making coffee, and the secrets of how it is done in a factory are passed down from generation to generation. Growing coffee trees, coffee beans come from the seeds of the coffee plant, which is typically grown in tropical regions near the equator. Coffee is mainly produced in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Vietnam, Ethiopia, and many others. Harvesting coffee cherries, which contain the coffee beans, are typically harvested once they ripen. This is often done by hand-picking the cherries, although in some cases, machines are used. The timing of the harvest is crucial, as underripe or overripe cherries can affect the flavor of the coffee. Processing. After harvesting, the coffee cherries go through one of several processing methods, including dry processing, natural. The cherries are spread out in the sun to dry. Once they are sufficiently dry, the outer pulp is removed to reveal the coffee beans inside. Wet processing, washed. The cherries are pulped to remove the outer skin and pulp. The beans are then fermented and washed to remove any remaining mucilage before drying. Pulped, natural/honey process, a combination of dry and wet methods, where some of the pulp is removed, but some mucilage is left on the beans during drying. Milling after processing. The dried coffee beans are milled to remove any remaining parchment or husk. Grading and sorting. The beans are sorted by size and quality. This process helps ensure that only the best beans are used for high-quality coffee. Roasting. Roasting is a critical step that transforms the green coffee beans into the aromatic brown beans we recognize. Roasting temperatures and times vary depending on the desired flavor profile. The beans go through stages like first crack and second crack, each producing different flavors. Grinding. Coffee beans are ground to the appropriate consistency for the chosen brewing method. The grind size varies for methods like espresso, French press, drip, and more. Brewing. The ground coffee is mixed with hot water to extract the flavors. The brewing method can include drip brewing, espresso machines, pour over, French press, AeroPress, and more. The brewing time, temperature, and technique all impact the taste of the coffee. Enjoying. Finally, the brewed coffee can be enjoyed black or with various additions like milk, sugar, or flavorings, depending on individual preferences. It's important to note that there are many variations and nuances within each of these steps, and coffee production can be quite complex. The choice of coffee bean variety, growing conditions, processing methods, and roasting profiles all contribute to the unique flavors and characteristics of different coffees.